and I got to work with some amazing artists directly, like Fedez, Enrique Iglesias, Marlo, a couple of festivals like Creamfields, and it's been a good ride, and I hope it's gonna keep going. We're back, YouTube. What's going on? It's morning here. It's like 9:03 a.m. Just had breakfast. Pretty good breakfast. Anyways, music photography. Wow. So until 2 years ago, more or less, I had no clue I was gonna do music photography full time. Now I don't make anything because it's quarantine time. But right now I make 95% of my income from music photography. So I'm pretty happy to say that I'm a music photographer and videographer. I'm pretty happy because when I first shot my first show, I had no clue what I was getting into. So I want to share with you some tips, some things that I've done to get to where I am today. And I got to work with some amazing artists directly, like Fedez, Enrique Iglesias, Marlo, a couple of festivals like Creamfields, and it's been a good ride, and I hope it's gonna keep going. So let's say you want to get into music photography. You never shoot any music. First thing, go all around your city, find out the venues where people are playing, small bands, small venues, and just get to shoot that. Start from the bottom. Okay, go out on Friday, Saturday night, and do that for free, because that's gonna help you to build up portfolio, find out your style in music photography, and eventually get better at it. One question I get asked so many times, which is stupid, it's what camera should I use for music photography? It does not matter. I recommend Sonys because I am a Sony user and I love Sonys, but you can use anything you want. My personal preference is Sony a7 III, 24 1.4 Sigma, 85 1.4 Sigma. That's what you need. That's it. 2 lenses, that's it. One for portrait, one for wide shots. That's it. Back into your career. So you have now shot some small venues, shot small artists, and you're not getting any work, and you're just like, well, I have a little bit of portfolio, what do I do now? Simple. You live in Australia, you live in America, you live in Italy, wherever. You contact any artist, any bigger artist who is coming to your area. An area, I mean country or region. You literally try and find bigger artists that have a name already and just contact them through DM, through email, through wherever you can find online, and just be like, hey, this is what I do. I'd like to shoot for you for free. Remember that. Work for free for the first 2 or 3 months, because that's what I did and it works. I don't care, it works. Money will always come. Another really nice trick that I like to do, if you live in an area where there's a lot of festivals in the summer maybe, what I did, I literally go on the website of the festival and look at all the artists and literally DM every single artist on the sheet that you can find. By doing that, you go from Martin Garrix to DJX XLM, I don't know. You email, you DM every single one. I guarantee if you do that for 3 or 4 festivals, you at least get 2 or 3 jobs. And when you get jobs from festivals, you can start asking a little bit of money, maybe like expenses covered, or like $50, £50, whatever. And that will slowly build up your portfolio. So now you have small venues, small artists, a little bit of festivals, a little bit of big artists, and you started to have a little bit of good portfolio, right? So once you have that, you wanna hit hard, okay? Once you have your base, once you know what you do, doesn't matter if you do video or photo, by now you know you can hit one of the big artists. So what you do, you just go on and find the biggest artists who come to your town or near your town, somewhere you can reach easily, and you're gonna literally cold email every single one. And by cold email, I mean you go on the website, try and find the email. Oh, by the way, every single artist have their management email on the Facebook page. Just go on Facebook, find the artist, about, that's the email. Nobody ever said that to me. I'm saying that to you because I want you to get better and get better gigs. So you are gonna make up an email, really short email, really. On your email, you want a hyperlink. That means when they click on the link, they already see your work. The maximum click they have to do is 1, okay? So whatever you write in the email has to be short and sweet, and 1/2 hyperlinks with your portfolio. Or what else you can do is make a PDF file and just attach it to the email. So they open the email and they already see your photos without going away from the email. That might let them stick to your email better. The most important thing about getting in touch with bigger artists is never give up. Because I've spent 2 months getting in touch with every single artist who was going through Italy last year. Nobody replied. 0. I probably sent like 2,000 emails. Something like that. Nobody replied. I was just like, this is horrible. I can't believe nobody even said like, hey, sorry, no. Nobody. And then Fedez replied. If you don't know who Fedez is like, I like to describe him as the Kanye West of Italy. He's one of the most famous and influential people in Italy. He's this hip hop / rapper / influencer in Italy. Everybody knows him. And for some reason, his management thought it was a good idea for me to go to his concert in Rome and shoot for him. And I was gonna shoot for free, I didn't care. Like, I did not care. Went to the concert, shot it, woke up the morning after, and he was calling me like, yo, what's up? I love the video, what's Instagram, I'll tag you. He posted the video, and then he asked me to go again to Milan the day after. So I took a train to Milan and shot another concert. And then using that big concert, was my first big arena concert, using that to leverage and contact big artists. So I got in touch with everyone else I couldn't afford to get in touch before. One of them was Enrique Iglesias, and his management literally replied like 2 days after the email saying like, hey Luca, yeah, let's do something, we're coming to Italy. And then like a day after that, they're like, oh, can you actually come in the whole like Europe tour, like the 4 dates? So I did. And then that led to another tour just a few months ago. And that led to like a really good relationship with such a big management team, such a big influential artist. And I'm pretty happy of what came out of it. So cold emails, DM everybody, work for free at the start. But don't be afraid to work for free even later. Like right now, if you feel comfortable enough and you see more opportunity than money, just go for free because money will always come, right? So where is the point of be like, oh, I want to work for XXX and I only want to work with him if he pays me 1,000 euros. Why don't you go there, show him that you don't give a shit about money, about social, about anything. Show him that you just like what you do. That will bring you really, really far. It has been about 2 years since I started doing music photography, and now I'm full-time. I have enough work to support my lifestyle. I mean, not right now, because nobody has right now, but usually. And I want to show you my favorite photos I've ever taken. I've chose 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. It's just moments that I remember so vividly, like it's actually yesterday. And there's something in each one of them that I just really like. So let's just start a slideshow. So these were the photos that I chose. These are the photos that are most close to me as in music photography. With that said, guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it helpful. I hope I helped you in some way. If I did, please leave a like, subscribe. It takes 1 second. turn the bell on as always, follow me on Instagram, all that stuff. And I will see you tomorrow because I'm making daily videos apparently now. So